Hello everyone, this is nurse practitioner Mahta from Toronto, Canada, and today I want to unbox this CG Dimono dermal filler. I heard a lot about the benefits of this filler, specifically as a skin booster, and it can also kind of give volume to some areas and get rid of the wrinkles. So let's see what is inside this beautiful package. When you remove the plastic cover, you will see this box that is kind of sliding out from the paper cover of the Dimono. There should be 2 syringes, as this product is not just only one product, it's mainly peptide plus the Botox inside. This is a new product. It's a combination and made by South Korea. So by removing the first syringe, which is, you can see, 1 ml, you'll find the second one underneath, and this one is 2 ml. Then you'll have your instruction guide and everything for the filler inside. This is the kind of mesogel or meso filler, which can be used in different areas of your skin, face, skin, and neck as well. So I really like to use it under my eyes and see how it works. Other areas like smile lines or fine lines over your forehead and any other wrinkles, it can be covered with this, as the company says. Plus it's kind of doing rejuvenation and boosts your skin glow and condition for sure. The brochure comes in different languages, which is really nice, like French, German, Turkish, English, Spanish, and Italian. If you wonder why we have 2 ml and 1 ml here, just because the 1 ml can be used in the smaller areas, and the 2 ml is just for the larger areas as well. So I need to use the 1 ml for under eyes if it's just good enough, and I don't need to open the other one. Definitely go with the company's instruction, specifically about the contraindications. For example, no injection in the eyelids, or for injection other than intradermal. So other things written here, they should be useful for you in pregnancy, breastfeeding, or children, minor children under 18, not to be used as well. There are pictures of how to remove the head pieces, similar to the other gels and products in the syringes, like a 1 ml. Before this, I used Young Eye from Jello Pro, and I just want to compare this one as well under my eyes. You can find other information like pre-treatment guideline and storage guideline in this brochure. And I really like everything, the package, the nice package, and the info here. So I'm just gonna use it under my eyes and see how it works. Have a great day.